Hi, today I'm going to unbox this called adjustable delivery rack. It's under maximalSG brand. So when you receive the pack, you will have this big plastic bag. Open the plastic bag. You will have this main body. Okay, you have two pieces of this. Take one washer, go through, and then go through this hole. Use a washer again, cover that, and after that use a nut. So how we work is you use one side, secure that, and this one turn. Have all these 4 clamps ready to pre-secure. So another side was same. And this adjustable delivery rack on the rear rack. After that, I use this the biggest Ebike GrabFood bag to demonstrate how to adjust it. So first, you will put this one on the rack first. You don't know how the position you will be, but this here or left. So what I suggest you is that you use a cable tie. Make sure you secure this one the front. Okay, to leave some room to allow it to move on this side. So now on this position, it will allow you to move front, rear, so you can adjust it. Now you widen it to the maximum position. You put it back here. You put to the maximum position first. So you put that, still not enough. You move to the rear a bit. And now you put it back. Yeah, it looks like just nice. Just nice. Okay, after that, let's take a look at it. Now you already know this the vertical position. How you use cable tie to fix the vertical position. So another 4, another 2 for vertical. So each direction you use vertical, use 4. So vertical fixed already. Now you fix the horizontal. Now you fix the horizontal position. So here I use another 4 to fix. So the last one. So pull the cable tie firmly, make sure secure it. Okay, now it should be very firm. You can see, very tight. So now you are going to fix this one. Just now you put it back here, you will adjust it again. You put inside a little bit to close it. Okay, now you already know this position. Take out the back. Pull crank to the end. You need to hold this ear to secure the position, and then pull this clamp to the end, and this one also to the end, and also to the end. do some adjustment. Give it balance. Left side and right side the same extension. Oh. So you adjust a little bit. See whether it's full down. Put it again. Yes, okay. So now it's very even. Now you can start to secure this one. If you don't have an electrical tool, doesn't matter. Use the number 4. Just now show you number 4. CRV4. If you have this one, perfect. Will be faster for you. So how to do it? Just secure each side. Okay, now you form the ear already. You form this vertical position, horizontal position. You can see very good. Now you verify the position. Yes, everything is perfect.